Hey everyone, it's MrTech here. Today I have the Sabrent 2.5 inch hard drive enclosure. It's a plastic enclosure but doesn't look that bad. It can be found on Amazon for around £8, so I think it's about $12 or something. So yeah, let's get into it. On the box it states it's USB 3.0, so it supports that. The whole enclosure is 2.5 inch, as I said before. It's black, matte finish, I believe. Nicely packed in foam, so it doesn't get damaged in transit. Here's the hard drive itself, or the hard drive enclosure I should say. Put that to the side. Got a USB cable. I'm not sure how long it is, but it's both sides the same USB packed there. Next, there's nothing else really. Just a warranty card, I believe, and a instruction manual. Alright, so just a normal USB cable, both ends the same, so typical. Let's take it out of the packaging. So yeah, here's the hard drive enclosure itself. It's got one LED on it, and it looks like the normal Toshiba hard drives you can get. So from outside it doesn't look that bad. USB port on the front and an on and off switch, so that can come in handy if you just leave it plugged in and you want to turn it off, then you can do. So I'm just trying to take it off, and it's very tough to open, but I think it's pry it a little bit and then tug it upwards and it should come out. I found a piece of foam inside, here's the technical bits. I can see a sponge on the bottom, kind of helpful. You put a normal hard drive in, and so it shouldn't move about. It helps it stay still. As for the plastic, right, it's very thin, and it feels like if you take it, hot swap it, like take it on and off, the plastic is like the snap. So in the clips probably come off after a few pulls, so yeah, I'll put it back on and see. So now I've got my PNY SSD, it's just a normal SSD, nothing special. I'll just slide it in. It slides in pretty nice, no problems, and it does go in, and it fits very well. The sponge helps it, so now I'll just shake it a bit, it doesn't really move, so I think that's a good thing. If I did put a normal hard drive in, I'm pretty sure it won't move either, so let's try and plug it back on and see what happens with the clips. Alright, it took me a while to slot it back in, but what you have to do is you have to put it on top of each other and then slide it, so it's a sliding mechanism. But obviously, if you're trying to do it fast, I'm pretty sure the clips will snap. It's a decent enclosure for the price. So that is the end of the video. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe, and watch out for more videos.